Hello everyone, this is Amritpal Singh. Welcome to the next video. From this video onwards, I'm starting a new playlist which is SQL Structured Query Language. The reason of starting this new playlist is because that it serves as a base for Hive, because over there we make use of HQL, which is have a pretty much resemblance with SQL. Plus, we also use SQL in Spark SQL as well. In addition to it, the SQL is still been asked in a lot of interviews of companies. They still ask the SQL related concepts to the candidates, right? So this inspired me to start with a new playlist, which is SQL. Let's get started. So what is SQL? As I've already stated, it stands for Structured Query Language. It lets you access and manipulate databases. So structured meaning is when everything is structured, this proper structured. I've already have explained this in one of my video, like I guess in a introduction to big data. What's the difference between structured, unstructured, semi-structured? Structured meaning is everything is pre-aligned, like simple table, like simple Excel sheet, simple spreadsheet in which we have a proper rows and columns available. So it lets you access and manipulate databases. SQL can execute queries against a database. Database is nothing but a collection of tables, right? When we have a multiple tables available, this collection we can say it's a database in which we store data. So SQL can retrieve data from a database. With the help of SQL, we can get the data retrieved from the database. It can insert records in a database. Records, we can say records or rows or tuples, whatever we can say. It can help us in inserting some records in a database. In addition to it, it also help us in updating records, because let's suppose if some record is available, some value is available, I want to change it. So this is called updation. So this is how we can do it. And then we have a SQL can also help us in deleting some records from databases. So deletion, insertion, updation, this is one of the very common operations that we perform on tables or in a databases. So SQL helping us in these operations. In addition to it, SQL can also help us in creating a new databases. Although we generally we perform the operations to the default database, but sometimes we need to create new databases as well. So SQL help us in creating a new databases. So SQL can create new tables in a database. Sometimes we need to create new tables. Let's suppose we have a one table available, which is a master table, and then we need to create some more tables. So this we can do with the SQL, with the create command. We'll see this later on when we start with the actual SQL commands. SQL can create views in databases. So view is nothing but it's a virtual table that I'll be talking about later in the playlist when the views topic will come in the SQL. SQL keywords are not case sensitive, right? Meaning is that you can write your queries in uppercase or lowercase, right? Hardly matters. And then some of the databases allow you to add the semicolon after SQL statements. It's not true for all the databases, but many databases require, okay, or need you to put a semicolon after your SQL query. Let's suppose if I run a query, let's start from table name, I have to put a semicolon afterwards. And last, these are some of the commonly used SQL statements, SQL operators that we use, like select, which help us in extracting data from database, update, which updates data in databases, delete to delete data record from a database, insert, meaning is to insert new record to a database, create table keyword, help us in creating a new table, alter table to modify existing table, and drop table is used to delete a table, right? So from this short little video, I just have started with the new playlist. I hope you must have got some information about the SQL. The practical concepts I'll be starting with the next video. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in next video.